Welcome to GK at Amostri. In which year was first introduced ATM in the world? A. 1967, B. 1960, C. 1969, D. 1989. A. 1967. On 27th June 1967, Barclays Bank introduced the world's first automated teller machine. And also, the first ATM in India was set up in 1987 by HSBC Bank in Mumbai. What is the official language of Brazil? A. English, B. Hindi, C. Portuguese, D. French. C. Portuguese. And it is the official and national language of Brazil, being widely spoken by nearly all of its population. And Brazil is the most populous Portuguese-speaking country in the world. Which country is the largest oil producer in the world? A. United States, B. Brazil, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Russia. A. United States. And it is the world's largest oil producer in 2024 with an estimated production of 13.4 million barrels per day. And also, Saudi Arabia is the second largest oil producer in the world in 2024. Which country is known as Land of the Thunder Dragon? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Canada, D. China. B. Bhutan is the official name of Drunk Oil. The country official language is Dzongkha, which translates Land of the Thunder Dragon, and also the Land of Thunderbolt. Which country is known as the Land of White Elephant? A. America, B. Japan, C. Thailand, D. England. C. Thailand is known as the Land of White Elephants. Officially, it is called Kingdom of Thailand in Southeast Asia. The elephant is the national symbol of the country, and Thailand is considered the land of white elephant because there are many white elephants in Thailand. Which planet is known as red planet? A. Earth, B. Neptune, C. Mercury, D. Mars. D. Mars is named after Roman god of war and is often referred as the red planet because the red oxide present on its surface gives reddish appearance that distributive among the celestial body visible to naked eye. And also Earth is called blue planet because more than 71% of surface is covered with water, which make it appear blue from space. Who is the founder of Amazon? A. Bill Gates, B. Jeff Bezos, C. Steve Jobs, D. Tim Cook. B. Jeff Bezos. He is an American businessman best known as for founder, executive chairman and former president and CEO of Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce and cloud computing company. And also, he is the second wealthiest person in the world. Which country is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? A. Finland, B. England, C. Greenland, D. Thailand. A. Finland is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes. It has estimated 1,68,000 lakes and 1,79,000 islands. And also Finland is the largest lake in Saimaa, which is the fourth largest lake in Europe. Which country has the maximum number of Facebook users? A. India, B. Germany, C. Indonesia, D. United States. A. India has the most Facebook user in the world with over 378 million, and second most user of Facebook is United States. What is the height of the Mount Everest? A. 8,849 meters, B. 8,346 meters, C. 8,659 meters, D. 8,889 meters. A. 8,849 meters, that is 29,029 feet height, was officially recognized by Nepal and China. And Mount Everest is located in the Mahalangur section of Himalayas on the border of Nepal and Tibet. How many digits are there in Aadhaar card? A. 15 digits, B. 10 digits, C. 12 digits, D. 17 digits. C. 12 digits. Individual identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India on behalf of the Government of India. And Ms. Sonavane was the first person to receive an Aadhaar card on 29th September 2010 at launch of Aadhaar program by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and the Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Which country ranks the New Year 2025 first? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. Kiribati. D. Kiribati is a part of Line Island in the Central Pacific Ocean is the first country to reel the New Year. Kiribati is just 811 square kilometer, is only country to enter GMT plus 14, the earliest time zone in the world, at 14 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Which is the fish whose lips and teeth are like human being? A. Stonefish, B. Daisy fish, C. Tulip fish, D. Tiger fish. D. Tigerfish is normally found in South Asian water bodies and has a strong jaw, big lip and human-like teeth. There are around 40 different species of tigerfish found on the water bodies. Which country produced maximum mangoes in the world? A. India, B. South Korea, C. Germany, D. China. A. India is a king of fruit and leading mango producer in the world, producing an estimated 24.7 million ton of mangoes annually. And which state is the maximum producer of copper in India? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Andhra Pradesh. A. Madhya Pradesh has the largest copper ore mine in India. The Malanchkand mine in Madhya Pradesh is one of the largest copper mine in India and it is owned by Hindustan Copper. Who was the first chief of Indian Army? A. General K.M. Cariappa, B. General Maharaja, C. Rajendra Singh, D. None of these. A. General K.M. Cariappa. A Field Marshal Kodandara Kirippa Madappa Cariappa was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army and lead Indian force on Western Front during Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. Quit India movement was started by whom? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Sivarama Rajguru, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. A. Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement on 8th August 1942 at All Indian Congress Committee session in Bombay. The movement was civil disobedience campaign to the end British rule in India. How many species of penguin are found in the world? A. 18, B. 10, C. 15, D. 12. A. 18. There are 18 species of penguin in the world. Penguin are a family of birds that live in southern hemisphere and are the most common bird in Antarctica. And penguin eat krill, squids and fish. Which is the smallest state of India? A. Rajasthan, B. Goa, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Assam. B. Goa is the smallest state in India with an area of 3,702 square kilometer. The state is one of the Indian coast in the southwest corner. It is also known as Paradise in Packet because of its beautiful scenery and small size. The first book was printed in which country? A. India, B. China, C. France, D. Mexico. B. China. The first book were printed in China during Tang Dynasty between 618 and 907 CE. And the oldest known printed book is the Diamond Sutra, a Buddhist text. It was printed during woodblock printing. The answer for last video was Great Wall of China. And the Great Wall is the largest man-made project in the world. Its complete route is over 20,000 kilometers, stretching from east seaside to the west desert in northern China, winding up and down across mountain and plateau like a dragon. The video is available on iQuod. Which is the largest state of India by population? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.